go through, kind of cycle through. There's that one. Obviously, there's that one. Framing that I know is in the walls, trying to find hot spots, leaks, and then you kind of see where all your heat's being stored. Super fun review here. This is the TOPDON TC004 Mini thermal camera. Thing is awesome. Manufacturer reached out and sent me a sample of this. Want to show you guys some of the features. Straightforward, just 4 buttons, very intuitive to work with. I have never had a thermal camera like this. So like you can take this around looking for things, but I'll show you kind of an idea. I'll put my face in front of it and you see how quickly it picks up the heat signature, my hand. Really cool to walk around your house and look for maybe hot or cold spots. I'll show you guys that now. But a couple different features here. You just come in, you can hit the various buttons here and it'll change up and down. So there's your menu. You can go in, you can actually take pictures with this on the trigger and then load them later on wherever you need them. A lot of, various settings. You can set your parameters for what you kind of want, minimums, maximums. There's a lot of different variables in here. I won't go a super deep dive, more of a general vibe check on this. But there's some of the stuff right there. You can take a picture just by holding that. You see it saving. Then you can hit this one and you'll go to different, that's your power. Then you hit up and down. You can change the mode settings of like how you're able to recognize it. So like, just give you an idea, I'll put my face here and go through, kind of cycle through. There's that one. Obviously, there's that one. I'll get some video footage of me walking around with it. But yeah, super cool. If you've never had a thermal gun, really glad they sent this to me. I'll probably be using this for work, car parts, going up, showing general stuff, but I'll show you guys some walkthroughs right now with it. But overall, feels quality, easy to charge, got the carrying case. Really glad they sent this to me. I think this kind of tech is so cool, and they do a good job. It just feels quality. So here's an example, one of the modes. I'm looking actually just at my wall, move it here. So you see, you don't see anything in the natural, but I know there's studs and beams in there. So like looking for hot spots or cold spots, this thing rocks. I'll do another one, change the mode, go down again. You can still see that's like the exact framing that I know is in the walls, trying to find hot spots, leaks, and then you kind of see where all your heat's being stored. So like you're trying to find leaks or whatever of like heat or insulation, this thing will work awesome for that. Change it again. Lots of cool features like that. Obviously read the manufacturer's instructions. They're pretty technical. Certain surfaces through water, certain vinyls and things like that, it won't shine through. But overall, you see like just the practical use of this, like looking at the light bulb, you see how hot it is, and then change the settings again. It'll be kind of do a black one. Then woo, you see it getting really hot. So overall, this thing rocks. Just so easy to figure out and really useful right out of the box. Just like, hey, is this thing hot? Is this thing cold? I'll probably be using this on like my car parts as well. Basically says don't ever shine it at the sun, but yeah, this thing is great.